Sabi ninyo about, this sad news about Tita Glo.
Well, practically I knew already, and Marita said she wanted to go home, and the doctor replied, after a lot of requirements,
Right.
and with a 100% oxygen intake, we don't know. It's up to him if he wants to give you another lead. But at least she's resting now. You know, having a hard time with 100% oxygen is not that great.
A lot of celebrities then and now have been here paying tribute to her, sharing their most unforgettable memories of Tita Glo. Ano po ang inyo? Alam ko po madami, sir.
Marami from the time of Sampagita days,
I know.
when she was still strong.
Yeah.
You know, we had the film with Rick Vargas in there,
Right.
and Jason Waters was also in that film. She's a very nice lady, very motherly, sisterly, and everything. That's why I always call her Ate Glo. Yeah, because she's my big sister.
Right.
And I never forget that when my mother was also sick in the hospital, she was in the ICU. She went because they were very good friends with my mama. And with that, I could not forget. Gloria is Gloria. She has a big heart, a kind heart, a lovely heart.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Tita.
sir.
Salamat po.